Guys, okay, this is the Lenovo D1 HD news model. Okay, so the accessory, the 7 accessory is the GPS antenna, and this is the audio part, and the mic can support but it's the extension, and the one and the camera reverse, and 2 USB, and a universal power socket, and a screwdriver. Okay, so this is the 2GB RAM, the D2 storage, and a 4-core processor. So this is the QLED screen. Is the screen installation 1280.720p. So this is navigation, can setting to short form, but this setting is Google Map. Music can support to MP3, WAV, FLAC file. This is an equalizer in 16 is the band light equalizer, and the normal setting, and the element. Okay, and a Bluetooth connected, can connect the phone call for music play, and a audio FM, and the Wi-Fi connected to Wi-Fi. Off screen, this setting. Okay, this is a CPU. It's the 8239, 1.5 GHz to 4. Okay. GPS setting, can set to short form in the logo. Car setting. Okay, battery setting is the passport in the 2486. Sorry, 2468. And the setting can the reverse cam, NTSC, and the AHD. Okay, PD music, aux in, can connect to voice control, but no active. It's 6 dB mic. Phone link is the mirroring. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, Apple Wi-Fi. Okay, and the equalizer, and the Play Store is the site in the Gmail, and the YouTube. So is the file and the pitch screen function. Pitch screen, take. And the one map. Off. Okay, here's the Lenovo D1 HD news model. Thank you.